my friends, my name is Nina and welcome to my Bonbonina channel. Today I made these beautiful meringue cookies, and stay till the end and I'll show you how to make these decorations and how you can use them. Thank you for watching my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, put your thumbs up and ring the bell down below, and you'll get notifications about all my future videos. Right, Swiss meringue. It's easy to make and it's easy to bake. When you make this particular meringue, your cookies are going to be perfect, and they're going to be perfect in color. They're not gonna change color while you're baking them. So this method is perfect if you want perfect result. So what are we doing? So I've got here egg whites. Same thing, like when we're making any meringue, it has to be clean. There is no drop of egg yolk, and also sugar. And I'm going to start mixing them on a water bath. And they have to reach 40 degrees Celsius. Then I'm going to continue whipping them in my mixer. So you can whisk them with just your hand, with your whisk. I am going to use my hand mixer. Okay, my egg white reached 40 degrees Celsius, and now I'm moving them to my bowl of my mixer. My sugar is all dissolved, and I'm going to whip them to reach stable peak consistency. You can see my meringue is beautiful, peak is stable, and now I have to sift my sugar powder to my meringue. Continue mixing for a few minutes on a medium speed. Now my meringue is beautiful, it's shiny, it's very stable. As you can see, it's not going anywhere. And now we can work with it. Now I'm going to color it different colors and pipe it. So for this meringue, I prefer to use gel colors. And mix your colors gently, you don't want to deflate your meringue. Okay, my meringue is ready for piping, and now I'm going to try to pipe some holiday themed decorations. I'm going to make some snowmen. Now I want to show you how you can use different varieties of decorations for your cakes or for just presents with your meringues. I'm going to make one of the lollipops and also wreath. Alright, my meringues are piped, And now they're going to the oven for 176 Fahrenheit for about an hour and a half, 2 hours. They have to stay there in a low temperature and almost not bake. It's almost like a drying more than baking. So I'll see you later. Well, it's been 2 hours and my meringues are ready. So it's just an example. You can pipe anything, you can look up at the internet for ideas. It's like, that's just an example. So I made these little Santa hats, little snowman, and I drew a little bit on them with the edible markers. So that's how cute you can make them. And a little wreath. It's great for present, and it looks beautiful, and you can use any colors. And these lollipops, you can give them as a present, you can decorate your cake with them. So there is like endless possibility to how you can use this meringue, how you can decorate it. So make these meringues, make decorations and enjoy.